Hi everybody. So for our first week, we're going to be starting Unit 4 in Explore Writing. Happiness is. We're going to be looking at pages 95 through 103. Don't worry if you don't have your book. Everything you need is in this presentation. All right, let's get started. Happiness is. If you did the pre-task in our weekly assignment, you should have read a short essay on happiness and answered some true-false questions. So you should have some ideas about what makes us happy. Now we're going to learn more about what makes us happy, and we're going to be focusing on giving an opinion. And again, for this week, we're going to use Explore Writing pages 95 through 103. So let's get ready. Think about a time when you were really happy. Now answer these questions. When was it? How old were you? Where were you? Were you with anybody? Who? What were you doing? Why were you happy? Think about your answers to those questions. You can write them in your notebook or make a recording to send to your teacher. You can pause this video now to answer those questions. All right, now you should have your answers. Let's see mine. A time I was really happy. When was it? 26 January 2020. Where was I? Sultan Qaboos University, G Block. Who were you with? All my new 340 students. What were you doing? I was meeting my new 340 students. And why was I happy? Because I met my new students for the first time, and I knew this would be a special semester. I didn't think it would be this special, but I knew it would be a special semester with some really interesting people. So what about you? What was a time you were really happy? Let's keep going and learn more about what makes us happy. Think about these questions. Look at the contents of the magazine below and discuss the questions that follow. So we have this Horizon magazine, and it's from the Department of Public Relations and Information at Sultan Qaboos University. And here's the table of contents. We've got SQU News, research reports, panorama, my opinion, and interviews. It says, what can you read about in university or college magazines like this? Do you read any college or university or college or newsletters, magazines, all of those things? Let me try that again. Do you read any university or college magazines or newsletters like this? What are they called? And who reads these publications? So some possible answers to this under what can you read in these kind of magazines? Well, you can usually read about what academic research the university is doing. You can also see articles about topics that are important to university students, like friendship or study tips or how to handle loneliness. Do I read any university or college magazines? Well, I don't really read a magazine, but I do look at SQU's website and I follow the university's Twitter feed. And who usually reads these kind of publications? Well, students read these magazines, but teachers and faculty can too. So now we're going to look at some articles in this Horizon magazine. This is the title of the article we're going to be reading. Smile, we are a nation of happy people. Which countries do you think this article will describe? Guess 3 countries where you think the people are happy. I'll pause the video here and write your answers. Now, think about which of the topics below do you think the article will discuss? Tick the boxes. The happiest countries in the world, the effect of weather on people's happiness, advice about how to be happy, and reasons why people are happy. What food makes people happy? So what are your predictions? Write them in your notebook. All right, that's the end of this first video. The next video, we're going to be looking at the article.